Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to use Mattermost. So let's get started. First up, this is actually my demo account that I'm showing you. I have a personal one, but let's start with my demo first. Now, when you open Mattermost, the left sidebar is where most of the action happens. This is where you'll see all the teams and channels you're part of. Channels are basically topics of conversations like projects, departments, or announcements, and you can organize them into custom collapsible categories to keep things clean. Now, in the center of the screen, this is where you'll see your active channel, and this is where messages live. Now, you can send normal messages, reply using threads to keep conversation focused, and reacts to messages like this with emojis, GIFs, or custom reactions. And threads are especially useful because replies stay grouped under the original message, so channels don't get messy. At the top of the navigation bar, you'll see useful tools like start a call button for voice calls, plus quick access to other channels you're active in. And on the right hand side, this part right over here, this is where you'll usually see icons for things like boards, playbooks, and other apps or integrations connected to that channel. Great for tracking tasks or workflows without leaving Mattermost. Now, Mattermost also supports Markdown formatting, file attachments, code syntax, highlighting, and even LaTeX, making it great for both technical and non-technical teams. Now, you can customize notifications per channel, as you can see right over here. And what you can do is you can only get alerts for what actually matters. Power users can also use keyboard shortcuts and slash commands to do things like start calls or trigger integrations like Jira or GitHub. And basically, that's the basics of using Mattermost. It's kind of like Slack, really. Channels for organization right over here, threads for focus, and powerful tools to keep teamwork smooth and secure. All right, so if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.